Okay, good morning. Here we go, or well, I guess it's morning there. I'm just going to do a quick video here and kind of go around the car, and so you can actually, I'm trying to get in close here too so you can see it. All the chrome's in good shape, all the glass is in good shape. I know we didn't have much interior shots. There's back seat and the dash. We've got lots of rubber on this car. It's like really deep tread. There's the trunk. We never had a shot of the trunk for some reason. That's all. And there's the actual trunk without the mat. There's the file I was talking about. And this kind of, he's got all the papers from when he did the frame off restoration, all his paid bills, all the stuff that he did to the car. Like, it's all, he spent a ton of money on it. I didn't add it up, but it's a lot. It was about 20 grand just for the paint and the body work. There's the other side. Unfortunately, it's in really tight here. So I've gone over the whole car, like myself this morning, and there's no scratches on the car at all that I can see, and there's two minor paint chips. One is in here somewhere, right there, and the other one is there, and that's it. Both can be easily touched up, and like I said, this paint it just gleams. You can just see how straight it is going down there. Anyways, that's it. Thanks.